Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
The Mike O'Callaghan Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge is one of the most impressive pieces of infrastructure in the American Southwest. Spanning the Colorado River just downstream from Hoover Dam, it connects Nevada and Arizona while rising high above Black Canyon. The bridge is named after two very different public figures who share a legacy of service. Mike O'Callaghan was a former Nevada governor and World War II veteran, while Pat Tillman was a professional football player who left the NFL to serve in the U.S. Army. The Memorial Plaza at the Nevada side honors both men and the values they represent. From the plaza, the scale of the bridge becomes immediately clear, standing over 270 meters above the river. It was designed to handle modern traffic while removing vehicles from the top of the Hoover Dam itself. Before the bridge opened in 2010, all highway traffic crossed directly over the dam, creating congestion and security concerns. The pedestrian walkway on the bridge offers a unique vantage point. From here, you can look straight down into the Colorado River far below, with Hoover Dam framed perfectly between the canyon walls. The view highlights the contrast between natural geology and large-scale engineering in a way few places can. The Memorial Plaza is intentionally simple and reflective. Plaques and interpretive signs explain the background of both namesakes, as well as the construction challenges involved in building a bridge in this narrow, wind-prone canyon. The location encourages visitors to pause rather than rush through. Structurally, the bridge is a concrete arch design, chosen for strength and durability in extreme desert conditions. High winds, summer heat, and difficult access made construction a major engineering achievement. Today, traffic flows quietly overhead, while pedestrians experience the space at a lower pace. This bridge is more than a bypass route. It represents a meeting point of history, service, and modern infrastructure, all set within one of the most dramatic landscapes along the Colorado River corridor.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.